Hi, my name is Lauren with Makeup by Dodge, and today we will be discussing how to keep your makeup lasting all day. Now, there are a couple secrets. We've already done Gina's makeup here, as you can see. One thing that I definitely did beforehand was I made sure that we powdered in all of the places where she has said that she was oily in the past, which could be in the T-zone, mostly for normal skin types, or if you are very oily, just keep some powder with you and blot as you need it. Try not to reapply all day, or else you will create a mask for yourself. If you really need to, you can wipe off just a little bit of it and put a little on after that. When I usually go out, and I know I'm not going to be around my makeup all day, I do have a couple lifesaver things that are definitely key to keeping it going throughout the day. It really depends on where your problem areas are. Most women, if they put mascara on or their eyeshadow falls during the day, you will start seeing dark circles under your eyes. So keeping some concealer with you at all times is a nice little way of, you can just wipe that right off, retouch the concealer, and it brightens your eyes and it keeps you looking fresh and not tired. Your lips, excuse me, for the daytime, just keep your lip gloss around and reapply as needed. And other than that, I think those are the most essential things to keeping your makeup on all day.